So here's how you can put the blue light filter on your iPad. Let's get started. So as you are on your iPad and doing your thing, just swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center. Then you can see we have a brightness slider and some other things, of course, but hold down on the brightness slider and you can see that there is the night shift option right there. So you can basically just turn it off or on. And I mean, of course, night shift is the feature which will make the screen a little bit more yellow. It tries to limit or filter the blue color, so this is exactly what you are looking for. It is built in, you cannot even like remove it. It can only be turned on or off, so it should most definitely be part of the section where I'm showing it to you. But when you click on it, it can either be enabled or it can also be scheduled. So you can open up the settings and then find the display and brightness, and there is the night shift option. So as I said, it can be enabled manually until tomorrow, or you can also schedule it to perhaps make it go from specific time over the day from, let's say, 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. or whatever. Or you can also make it go automatically from sunset to sunrise, which I believe is a much better option because you don't even have to care about anything. Plus, you also have a little intensity slider, so you can make it more or less warm. By default, it is kind of in the middle, but you can adjust it if you prefer it to be a little bit more yellow or filter the blue light a little bit more. So that's it. Hit the thumbs up if the video or solution worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials, and I'm gonna catch you later.